One of the things that the central department has dealt with in the past has been timetabling and timetabling clashes. For combined honours students, this can be quite a serious problem because obviously they're taking units in different faculties and there isn't necessarily a strong collaboration between the departments concerned. With the electronic timetabling system, with the moving to equal units, and with the combined honours slot system, in theory timetable clashes shouldn't happen, but they do. So one of the queries that we've quite often dealt with, particularly at the beginning of the year, is students coming and saying that I have a clash between this unit and I have to do them both because they're core for the two subjects. So I think you can expect students to be coming with timetable queries. I think the principle is that the combination that the student is on is owned by a particular department and there's a particular academic contact, and that department has to try and resolve the timetable clash that the student has. It will mean coordination between two departments, but it is a very common issue at the beginning of the year, is timetable clashes for combined honours students. There is a timetable slot system for combined honours. Each subject is supposed to timetable the units, the modules that they put into combined honours in a certain slot. And if they all do that and it's not gone wrong, then in theory there can't be clashes. And I think our experience last year with the level 4 being equalised, where there being fewer units, where there being a more defined core units, we had far fewer problems with timetabling last year than we did the previous year. So I would hope that as level 5 becomes equalised this year, that the same thing would happen. I think the complication is that the slot system for combined honours changed at level 4 last year. It's spread out to a day-and-a-half slot for each subject, and that permeates into level 5. So we have a changing slot system which makes it difficult for timetablers. So it is possible that a module, a unit that a student is supposed to do has somehow got outside of the approved combined honours slot. That information on slot systems has been sent out to all contacts in faculties. They all know what they are, they know what they should be. The central timetabling unit through Nick Devine and Leon know about the combined honours slots, know what they should be. So the problems are resolvable, but they probably need to be resolved by the lead academic department for the combination that the student is on. I accept that there will be issues where a bunch of students may have a problem with a particular unit. Those students will be on a varying set of combinations, and those combinations may be owned by different departments. So, for example, forensic science and criminology might be looked after in science and engineering, but forensic science and something else might be looked after in a different faculty. But the problem might be a forensic science unit. In those situations, I think the student should be advised to talk to the department that owns the combination, make sure that the subject leader or the main contact there is aware of the timetable clash. But they should also be told about the contact in the department where the module is that's actually causing a problem, so that it can be pursued. I think one of the important things for combined honours students in the past, and the gap that the central unit provided, that overcame, is students being passed around. When it came to us, we solved the problem. And I think one of the things the university has to be very careful about is that they don't get bounced between two different faculties. So if it appears that that's happening to students, then I think something should be done to stop it.